The RT7000 is a unique and easy-to-operate device. The device can perform numerous important ophthalmic exam functions: autorefraction, autokeratotomy, topography, tear stability analysis, and it also has the ability to measure the diameter of the pupil and the cornea. The RT7000 touchscreen operation is simple and automatic. 90% of the operations are performed simply by touching the screen. When you turn on the RT7000, it will always return to the mode that was selected prior to turning the unit off. To select Mode, press the Mode button at the bottom of the screen. Choose the mode by pressing one of the selections in the Mode selection display. At this time, select the box that will allow you to perform both autorefraction and autokeratometry. The mode selected will appear in the top left side of the screen. The eye that will be measured will be highlighted in color in the upper corner of the screen. Have the patient place his or her chin on the chin rest and the head up against the forehead rest. You may use the chin rest buttons on the left side of the base to adjust the patient up or down until his or her eye is in the center of the screen. Touch the image of the patient's pupil on the screen until you see the colored lines. The auto alignment will take over at that point to center the eye and to execute the auto measurement. You will hear a series of beeps. Then you will hear a second series of beeps. After the second set of beeps, the measured results will appear on the screen. To measure the other eye, touch either the L or R at the upper corner of the screen to move to the other eye. Repeat the process for the second eye. After the second eye is measured, press the box marked Data. The data on both eyes will appear on the screen, and the device will automatically print the results. To capture a topographic map of the patient's cornea, press the Mode button at the bottom of the screen. Choose Topo. You will see a message that the cones are moving. The RT7000 utilizes two different lenses, one for refraction and another cone for topography. The note on the screen is telling you that the unit is switching cones. Once again, make sure the patient's pupil is centered on the screen. Push on the small circle in the center of the screen until colored lines appear on both the left and right side of the small center circle. The process is automated at that point. It will photograph the eye and display the Meyer rings. If all of the lines are intact, and the XYZ results in the top center of the screen are displayed in green, you can proceed to check in the Meyers. Press the box on the screen that says Meyers OK. At that point, the topo map will be displayed on the screen. To photograph the other eye, press the arrow to store the results, then choose Next Eye. Repeat the same process for the next eye. After the results appear, press the Dual button. Both images will appear side by side. This screen can be printed via a PickBridge printer. To perform a tear stability test on the patient, press the Mode box on the bottom of the screen. Press the box TSAS. Press OK. Select OK to clear data. Push the center of the screen until you see the colored lines. Press the button on the joystick. Ask the patient to close his or her eye and hold it closed for about 3 seconds. After the patient opens her eye, ask the patient to try to keep the eye open for at least 6 seconds. Press the joystick button one more time to start the sequence. After the 6 images appear on the screen, press Analyze. See the instruction manual for interpretation of the display. You can read the tier breakup time at the bottom left of the screen.